pride yourself on something to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our confidence-related idiom today is to pride ourselves or pride yourself on something. Now we want to think of this with respect to building and growing and supersizing our business. Found a list of 26 things, 26 reasons to be proud of yourself, and some of them apply to business, some of them don't. I think I might read through the list really quickly and you can pick and choose, but I would love if you would share in the comments below one thing that you pride yourself and your business, specifically with respect to your business and growing your business on. One thing about your business that you're super duper proud of. And we can share in each other's celebration of what we are proud of. Because if we're not proud of building our business, why are we doing it anyway? Pride means to value a skill or a good quality that you happen to have. Usually it's something that we're emotionally attached to because it's something that we're intimately connected to. It's something, pride is something that comes up that is a good feeling. It's something usually that we love about ourselves or our business. So what are 26 possible reasons you could be proud of yourself? I don't think I'm going to cover them all because it would probably take too long, but I'll fly through as many of them as I quickly can. And think about, well, how would this apply to growing and building and supersizing my business? Well, number one, be proud of who you are. I don't know how many times I've said it's imperative that we show up as who we uniquely and specially are, and that we be ourselves, and that the most important thing we can do is be ourselves and set the example for other people by being who we really are, who we, I think the word authentic is overly used, but who we authentically are, not who we think we should be or how we think we should show up in the world. Your best traits, your smile and the way it lights up the world, the way you carry yourself with confidence. That ties right into our topic this month of confidence and how we need to be more confident, how we have to have confidence in order to build and grow and supersize our own business. How much you care about your loved ones and the world. Hopefully you're here to make the world a better place. Challenges that you've overcome, lessons that you've learned, being able to forgive yourself and also to being able to forgive others. Doing things even when you're nervous. Everyone who started a business has done something even when they're nervous. Taking the next step even though you're scared or it's outside your comfort zone. Trying something new. Quitting a job that you hate. I don't know that that has to do with growing and supersizing our business. Maybe it's letting go of someone who isn't a proper fit for our organization, or hiring someone that's a better fit for our organization. Sticking to a job to pay the bills. Going after your dream job. Again, creating the dream job for other people. Braving a blind date, traveling somewhere new and foreign, learning another language, developing a new skill, admitting when you're wrong, not boasting when you're right, saying no to things you don't agree with, saying yes to things that excite you, reading this page or listening to this list in this video, making self-love a daily part of your life and your journey, and then everything and anything that you can think of that is positively impacting your life that you're proud of. We're all proud of different things. I'm super duper proud of my granddaughters. I am really proud that I'm going to be a grandma again and have another granddaughter. Seems like every other generation it goes male, female in my family, so that's kind of fun. So share in the comments below one thing that you're proud of as you're growing and building and supersizing your business. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom for this month.